Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change the hue in Krita. First, Krita doesn't have a single hue slider on the canvas. You change hue using a color adjustment filter called HSV or HSL adjustment. To begin, select the layer you want to modify in the layers docker. Then go to the top menu and click Filters, Adjust, then HSV Adjustment. This opens the color adjustment dialog where you'll find hue controls. Inside the HSV or HSL adjustment window, you'll see sliders for hue, saturation, and lightness. To change the hue, simply drag the hue slider left or right. This rotates colors around the color wheel and shifts all hues in your image relative to their current state. As you move the hue slider, Krita gives you a live preview of how the colors shift, so you can watch the effect in real time before you apply it. When you're happy with the new color balance, click OK to apply the change. For selective hue changes, where you want to change only a part of your image, make a selection first before opening HSV or HSL adjustment. The filter will then affect only the selected pixels. And that's how you change hue in Krita. Thanks for watching.